welcome to my channel Make It Yourself. This video is the second part of the newborn baby set, and today I am going to teach you how to make the baby booties. The links to the other videos will be in the description. Let's get started with the things we will be needing. I'll be using this acrylic yarn from the brand Red Heart. I'll also need a hook of size 4.5 mm, a pair of scissors, and a measuring tape. So we'll start off by leaving a long tail and then start making chains. So we make a slip knot, and then we will have to make a chain of 24. Skip the first 2 stitches and then make a single crochet on the third chain. For this round we are going to make single crochets over each chain, so at the end we should have a total of 22 single crochets. Once we have made the last single crochet, we are going to chain 1 and then turn our work. So skip the first stitch, and from the second stitch we are going to work on only the back loops. So we are just going to make 1 single crochet over each stitch but on the back loop. So we're going to have a total of 22 single crochet at the end of this round. At the end of this round, we have to chain 1 and turn our work as usual. So after turning the work, we will again skip the first stitch and then work on the back loop only. So working on this back loop gives us the ribbing effect. We are going to continue the same pattern of making single crochets on the back loop till we have completed 6 rows. And you can measure it and see that you have around 2 inches of height. Now we are going to slip stitch over our first 4 stitches. So this is the first slip stitch, then the next slip stitch. So during the slip stitch we are going to take the entire stitch, and this is the 4th slip stitch. After that we are going to make a pebble stitch. So we'll start off with a double crochet. Next we will make a single crochet. Following this, another double crochet and then a single crochet. So we'll make this alternates of double crochet and single crochet for the next 14 stitches, and we will stop just before 4 stitches are left. So we have completed the 14 stitches, and you can see that we have 4 stitches left. The length on either side should be the same. Now since we have ended with a double crochet, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Since next stitch is a single crochet, so we are going to make a double crochet over it. The next stitch is a double crochet, so we are going to make a single crochet over it. So we have to repeat this pattern. In this pattern, if the previous stitch was a double crochet, we will have to make a single crochet over it, and if it is a single crochet, we will have to make a double crochet over it. So this stitch is called the pebble stitch, and we are going to make the pebble stitch for this entire row. If you find this pebble stitch difficult, you can make a simple single crochet or a double crochet instead. Like you can make entire rows of single crochet alone or entire rows of double crochet. Since we ended with a double crochet, so we are going to chain 1 and turn our work, and as you can see, the next stitch is a single crochet, so we're going to make a double crochet over it. Following this, we will make a single crochet and then a double crochet again. So we will have to repeat the same pattern till the height is around 4 inches overall. So once we have reached the height of 4 inches, we are going to fold it this way. So we are going to put our needle in and out in this fashion, and then make a slip stitch for this first part, and for the second part also we are going to put our crochet needle in and out and then make the slip stitch for the second part. So this is the front of the bootie. So we have closed the front of the bootie using these 2 slip stitches. So now we are going to close the top part of the bootie by making slip stitches and joining the 2 sides. So we're going to put a hook into the first part and the second part, pull it through them and close it off with a slip stitch. So it's similar to stitching. We are using this slip stitch to close off the top part of the bootie. So continue stitching as shown. Once we have reached the opening, we will pull the yarn and then trim it off. So this side is done. We will have to stitch the other side, that is the back side also. So as you remember, we had a long tail yarn left. So using that, we are going to slip stitch and close the back side as well. Once we have closed the required sides, we will have to either stitch in or crochet in the tail yarn. So you can do it anyway, there is no right or wrong way of doing this. we are going to turn this inside out so that we are able to hide the stitches that we just made. So here our cute little baby booty is ready. We just need to make the cord. So to make the cord, we're just going to make a chain of 60. Once 60 stitches are done, we will cut off the yarn and then tie a knot at the end. Next, we are going to string in the cord into the booty. So we're just going to pull it in and out around the edge. Once you have reached the front part, we are just going to tie it into a small little bow. So this cord will help in securing the booty to the leg of the baby. Here we have stitched in a cute little red heart, the video of which is available in the description section. If you're interested in making the entire newborn baby set, please refer the description. If you enjoyed my video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications, and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.